I wanna be tall. Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're gonna do something super easy for you guys. But first, before we get started, the reason we're doing something super easy is because I finally released my first e-cookbook, an electronic cookbook, you guys. 71 pages, 46 recipes, $8.99, that cheap AF, and it was, I don't know if you guys knew this or not. I mean, some of you have been following me for a while know this, but I actually had an online vegan bakery on Etsy. So these are all of my recipes over time, every season, from that vegan bakery. So it's secret recipes from a vegan bakery, which also has some other extra tips and tricks, hence 71 pages. Hello, girl. And it also has some gluten-free recipes in it as well. So if you're gluten-free, you can definitely check those out. But today we're going to make a Taco Bell cheese quesadilla veganized. So throughout that, we're going to do a super delicious, like legit Copycat sauce. You know that fucking sauce, that like spicy like sauce they put on that shit? Oh girl, we're gonna make that. But then we're also gonna kind of play around with some of the vegan cheeses and see which one works best in that. So let's get into this bitch. First thing we need to do is to make ye old Taco Bell special sauce. Girl, you know what I'm talking about. And Jeffree Star, boo-boo, you can't just get a cheese quesadilla with none of the sauce. That's what makes it so delish. So I don't have a squirt bottle, so I'm going to actually use this old vape bottle, which hashtag not sponsored. If you vape, like instead of smoking cigarettes and you vape, I would highly suggest swag sauce. They're super affordable, super delicious. They have like a million flavors, great deals. Amazing. So in here I have a quarter of a cup. I had to think about that for a second. A quarter of a cup of vegan mayo. And then I'm going to add, I'm actually going to use this little funnel to help me get it in there, girl. I just made this out of a little piece of paper. I'm going to add a quarter of a teaspoon each of paprika and cumin. So let's put that little bad boy in there. Okay. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of jalapeno brine. So like when you buy a jar of like sliced jalapenos or can of sliced jalapenos, there's that brine in there. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of that. So we're going to pour that guy in there. Okay. And then just like our vegan ranch, we just go shake, 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 senora. Oh my God. Okay, so let's talk vegan cheeses. So this, like I said earlier, this is going to be a little bit of a like vegan cheese taste test for this specific kind of quesadilla. Now, I have so much to say about the vegan cheeses. So this is what I could find near me and what I could find an hour drive away from me. So this is the best I got. So I wanted to kind of see which would work best in this recipe. Now, first I have, all right, girl. I got this Daya, and I'm going to tell you right now, you know you've heard me say this before, I am not a fan of Daya. I'm really not a fan of Daya. I had some other choice words. But I've never tried it from the farmhouse block. So it was literally a block of cheese. I've also never tried this flavor, the Monterey Jack. So I went ahead and shredded that up. So we're going to give that a whirl. And then I also wanted to try, I love the Chow tomato cayenne. I wanted to give it a try. I'm not sure exactly how that tomato cayenne flavor is going to go with this specific Taco Bell remake quesadilla, but I figured, fuck it, let's try it because it's readily available where I live in my little small town. And then I very much love Follow Your Heart's provolone, and I know that Follow Your Heart melts really well, just like the Chow, so I wanted to try this as well, just to give it a whirl. And if you notice, the Chow and the provolone Follow Your Heart both come in slices, but I took the whole block of slices out and just shredded it as like instead of shredding each slice, just take the block of slices and just go the fuck to town. So we're gonna try each of these out, see which works best. Hashtag not sponsor. Okay, girl. I have my frying pan already preheated on like a little less than medium heat. I do not have like a griddle or fucking anything like that. So we're just going to go old school. So I got these large burrito size because I want to like put it on there and fold it in half just like a traditional Taco Bell, but I'm not sure if this is going to be big enough. So I also got 2 of the smaller fajita sizes that you can just like put them on top and make a quesadilla that way. So let's start with our burrito beach. Oh, girl, this actually might work. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Daya, and I'm going to sprinkle some of this shit right on there. Like so. I mean, let's get cheesy. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to take our special sauce, and I'm just going to, oh, hold on, I have to open it. Okay. And I'm just going to do a little, like, you know, like, because I'm sure they use squirt bottles at Taco Bell. You feel me? And I'm just going to fold it over like a soa. I'm going to let this brown and get toasty on the bottom and flip a bitch. And then we're going to come in here with our tomato cayenne chow. Oh, I just, look at how beautiful. Like, I might even do, like, a mixture of some of them at this point. Oh, my God. And then take our sauce, get it to the bottom, do some, oh my God, excuse you, beach. Put some shit on there, and then do our fold over like a so. And I found that it's been about a minute on each side at this temperature. And last but not least, we can't forget about our Follow Your Heart provolone. Oh my God, girl. I love Follow Your Heart. They have my heart. Follow your heart. And then we take our sauce and we get, oh, come on, baby. And we get the, oh, excuse you. That is so rude. And we get in there like a, oh my God, why are you being so nasty? You a nasty boy. And fold our bitch. Okay, so my burrito-sized gigantic tortillas are still not as big as Taco Bell's. So I'm just going to have them with my pizza cutter. You can always go fourths if you're feeling fancy. But I'm kind of curious if this is... Oh, shit. That actually melted some. All right, so this is the day I'm shook. And we're just going to continue to cut these bad boys. You guys! Oh my God, so you can't really even fucking tell because, like, it's a quesadilla. Like, oh, how picture-worthy can we be? So this is the day. So I'm going to try this first because I'm, like, so skeptical. Whoa. Okay. It melted. Shook. And you got that sauce. Not my favorite. I don't know. Daya just has this, like, I don't know. There's just something about their vegan cheese that, like, I don't know. It's good. It's just not what I was looking for. So, now we're going to move on to the chow. Look at, like, oh, girl. Okay. Okay. Oh, hold up. It's definitely not exactly Taco Bell because the tomato cayenne blends with that sauce. But I gotta tell ya, it doesn't taste like weird like the Daya does. It's very creamy. Ooh, okay. So that's my favorite so far. Now we're gonna move over to Follow Your Heart, which, like, oh, like, it's just, like, you guys. Like, oh, I love them. Okay. 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 Here's what's up. Okay. Wow. Woo! Boom. I'm sorry. You're just really, like, sitting at me going, wow. The Follow Your Heart, I think, tastes the most like a Taco Bell cheese quesadilla veganized. I think the Chow Tomato Cayenne is the most delicious because it gives it a whole nother depth of flavor, which I think is really great. The Daya can kind of fuck off, which, like, which I figured because, like, I don't like Daya. I try so hard. I've tried so many different Dayas. I try so hard, but, like, they can fuck off. Like, fuck Daya. they did all melt, which I thought was super awesome. Like, hello, that's a big thing. They all melted. I would suggest follow your heart provolone with the sauce that we made. I think the tomato cayenne is my favorite, but it's not going to be perfect mock Taco Bell flavor if that's what you're looking for. Dare can fuck off. But honestly, like, I know just like me, some of you guys have a hard time finding vegan cheeses. So whatever vegan cheese you can find, like, girl, just get that shit and make the sauce. Because the sauce is like everything. I'm telling you that right now. So if you want to buy my e-cookbook, that is linked below. I forgot to say that in the beginning. But that is linked below. So you can buy it from there. How it works is you click the link. It takes you to like a little buy page that you use your PayPal for. You buy it, and then that email address that you use for PayPal, they will immediately, as soon as you pay for it, they will immediately send your own personalized link for my e-cookbook, and you can download on your phone, your tablet, your computer, what have you. And it's amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to hear how you like it. The ones who have already bought it, like, thank you so much. It means the absolute world to me. I put so much into this. This was my first e-cookbook, the first of hopefully many, and I'm so proud of it. So thank you guys so much. Full written recipe for this will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And I know I haven't said it yet in this video. I haven't done my segue, but girl, you know what? I'll make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, I will read up, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.